Did you know that it's possible to use the defense medical expert to bolster the testimony of our medical expert? Would you like to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. It's true, during the course of testimony of cross-examining the defense medical expert, one of my key strategic goals is to try and get that medical expert to agree with key things, key issues that my own medical expert has testified to previously. If I can get the medical expert, the defendant's own medical expert, to agree with certain key issues that my expert has testified to, what we are trying to do is to bolster my expert's testimony. So now at the end of the case, during closing arguments, I can turn to the jury and say, ladies and gentlemen, not only does my expert say these things, but the defense expert even agrees with our own expert. Now, can the defense do the same thing? They certainly can. On cross-examination, they will ask plaintiff's medical expert, our expert, certain questions to try and get them to agree with certain claims and defenses that the defense is trying to make. Because they know that when they bring on their defense medical expert, that witness is going to testify about those certain issues and try and get this expert to testify and confirm certain things that that witness is going to testify about as well. So again, now during closing argument, the defense will then argue, ladies and gentlemen, the plaintiff's own expert agrees with our doctor's expert testimony who said X, Y, and Z. So we use it in both ways, and the key goal is to try and bolster our expert's testimony using the defense's medical expert. So why do I share this great information with you? You know, I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what happens during the trial process in a medical malpractice case, in an accident case where we have medical experts testifying, and even in a wrongful death case. You know, I realize you probably have questions of your own, and if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.